Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is your friend Vijay. Today I'll be explaining some of the stock you could consider for swing trading. So without much further ado, let's dive into the chart and see the analysis. So first one here is Onward Technology. So if you see Onward Technology, I'm going to the daily chart. If you see here in the daily chart, you could see that the price is consolidating between these two trend lines. That means this is a triangle pattern. So as soon as the price breaks above the highs of last swing, you can take an entry here. So as soon as price break these levels, there is an entry and you could put your stop loss somewhere around here and try to ride the trend. So that is about Onward Technology, and next one will be Prakash Pipes. So Prakash Pipes, what happening is that we had an ascending triangle, it got broken, price kind of retested these highs and it is consolidating here. So if you see the hourly chart, you could clearly see that again in the hourly chart we are making an ascending triangle. So what I am expecting is the price to consolidate here and break, and as soon as we break, you can take an entry and put your stop loss on. You can take an entry here and put your stop loss below the swing low, or maybe it makes another swing low, you can put your stop loss somewhere around there and try to ride the trend. So that is Prakash pipes. That is also another stock that you could watch out for. And next one is Cipla. So Cipla, if you see in the daily chart, you got a move up. You got a retest to the previous highs, which was broken, and after that the price came down. The sellers pushed the price down. Then the buyers came in. Price then consolidated because there is a fight between buyers and sellers, and now we got a break above the highs. If you see here, if you see at these levels, this was the highs, and we got a break clearly above the highs, and this is a great opportunity for us to enter in Cipla and make some profits. And yeah, you can enter here or at the open of the market and ride your and put your stop loss anywhere you want. So that is about Cipla, and I think Cipla could be a great trade in the coming days. Not sure, nothing is off 100%, but I'm saying like I feel saying looking at the chart structure and all, I believe Cipla might be a very good trade. Then we have Unichem. Labs. So in Unichem Labs also, if you see the daily time frame, you can see the uh, ascending triangle, and kind of it's about to break. I believe tomorrow it's going to break and go to upside. As soon as the price moves above the highs of this candle, you can enter somewhere around here and you can put a stop loss below these levels. That is the idea. And if you see the volume also, it's great. Yesterday's volume is great. That means some strong hands are coming into the stocks, and you can always watch out this stock for taking an entry. Next one is Coforge. So Coforge, okay, Coforge, what's happening here? So basically, Coforge is being consolidated between these two trend line, and more than that, you see here, we were trying to break the trend line, and also we got a break above the highs, and it is retesting these levels, and the only problem is that the price is not able to move above these levels, so a lot of wicks and rejections are there. And if you see the hourly chart, you could really see that this is the level that is being respected by the market, and we are making higher lows actually. So this is a descending triangle, and as soon as the price do this and maybe goes and comes down and break these levels, you can take an entry, put your stop loss below the any of the swing lows. So that is also an entry in Coforge. Then you have or we have KNR con. Okay, so KNR con, if you see that this is a pole and flag pattern, and I believe everyone knows what's a pole and flag pattern. So this is our pole and this is our flag. So as soon as this flag is broken, you can enter. So this today is the week's last day and it's kind of broken, the flag is kind of broken, and instead of entering as soon as the flag broken, we can go into the lower time frames and see whether some resistance levels are there, and if it is broken, you can enter. So if you see the daily time frame, you could see that the price is being respecting these levels. So we have two rejections off of these levels. So as soon as this level is broken and we get a close of the daily candle above these levels, you can enter and go to the hourly time frame and put your stop loss below some swing lows or something and try to ride the trend. So this is how I trade. That doesn't mean this should work every time, and yeah, but I just want to want you guys to look into these stocks and try to find out whether there is a trade for you guys in the setup that you use. So these were the stocks, these are the stocks that I am looking at, and hope this video is being useful to each and every one of you guys who are watching. So thank you for your time. I'll be back the coming days with another interesting stocks. So thank you once again. Bye.